It's a bit windy, isn't it? Very windy. It's John Barrow's monument place thing. What is it? What is it? Is it a sheep?
What was that? So he's gone crazy.
You caught one?
They're huge. It was literally sunny earlier. Oh my days.
I've had sun for the past couple of days. Now it's hill. Look at the size of these.
Yeah, but you got sunburnt this afternoon.
I've got sunburn and now I don't. Oh god, look at. They actually hurt, don't they?
They actually hurt. Don't hit my ears.
Ouchie. How big are these hills? Look, they're actually in your hair. Stop
Oh,
there.
yeah.
A minute.
They've been a big good thing. You're putting about my hair.
Look at the size of them. I mean, that's the key compared to the size of them. Down again.
Oh, why did you decide to work back now?
I think this is the first time I spoke in these Lake District vlogs, and we've just been out for a nice meal, and on the way back we encountered a really big hailstorm, didn't we? Or it came across us. Huge, they were like near as big as a 5, well not near as big as a 5, but they were big. Biggest hailstorms I've seen for ages. But I didn't have this camera on me, so whatever I've vlogged on my phone will have to do. But it was quite perilous, wasn't it?
Indeed.
Absolutely perilous. Enjoying your stay, Enzo? Whatever. I've got a little bit of sunburn from today and yesterday, and I've just gone for a hailstorm shower, so that's the latest trick for you. Yes, the hailstorm. Have you even seen hailstones before? Right, come on, wee-wees, come on. Do you like the hills? Waiting for Enzo to do a poo while it's hailstoning. You are the lesser white spotted spaniel. Hi there, thanks for watching today's vlog. If you enjoyed it, give it a thumbs up. Hope you're enjoying these Lake District vlogs, and a few of you are. A few of you weren't expecting any vlogs at all, so I'm just doing what I want to do. Thanks for watching, stay tuned, stay positive, and I'll see you in the next vlog.